Yo, what's good, family? So look, I'm actually on this pair, Chef JPY, right now. Normally, I don't even trade this pair, but I got this indicator on Sway. It's called Pivot Points. It's on there. You can go just hop in your indicator section and go check it out. But it shows support and resistance, right? So the green support, of course, red resistance. But the M15 stochastic is super low, and we hitting support right now. So I'm going in for 10 standards on a buy. Now, normally I'm going against the trend, right? But since CPI news hit, right, and shot the market down, right, shot the market all the way down here, I'm feeling like it's due for a correction. I feel like we're gonna get a nice pullback. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and catch on this one. And right now we're already up in profit, which is pretty nuts because I just hopped in. But yeah, this indicator is pretty dope. I'll go full screen so you can get a little closer look at it. But yeah, so it has a pivot point in the middle. You know what I'm saying? Just showing you kind of where the market pivoted at, where it turned, and your support and resistance lows. So I'm like, okay, cool. We should get some type of rejection here before, and at least head somewhere back in here. If not, they got a second support zone. So we're gonna see how this play out, man. Let me go back to the main screen so y'all can see the profits. But so far, so good, y'all. So far, so good. We ate good today, so you know we ate on the pocket option side as well. So you know, good day so far. And if this continues to shoot up, we got a bag. It's so crazy how people work so hard at their jobs and they don't even make this, bro. Look at it, I'm already up a freaking full work day. Wait, past the full work day. Sheesh. Yo, that's crazy. I need to Google how much the average person makes per day. $98 per day. $35,000 a year. Wow. And I'm already up $300 something like that. That's ridiculous, man. God is good. When you got a skill set, man, it change your life. Usually I'll be taking my 3 something, but I think it go a little bit higher. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's 4. I'm gonna take a quick scalp. Cause it's at that pivot point, could turn around on you, boy. Trying to see if I wanna take it. Ooh, up 5, yep, there it go. 6, 7, all right. Let me take that, let me get up out of there. Wow, yeah, an extra $600 and some, man. Closed him on out. Hey, and just like that, easy money. And it shot up some more, so I probably would have been about 800 now. Shot up a little bit more, but again, big blessings. Trading is dope. Now, like I said, dang, it's shooting up so good. But, you know what I'm saying? I made $600 for the day, and I always gotta tell myself that because sometimes I get to the point where I'm like, man, I could have got more, you know what I'm saying? But that's that greed, you know what I'm saying? 600 for the day is great. You do that every day, you making a high 6 figures a year, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta learn how to be okay with that kind of stuff, and you do too. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, oh man, I could have stayed in, but nah. Now, one thing you could do though is trail your stop. So like if I did a stop loss, and then I could just trail it as it continues to go in profit, I could just move that stop loss in profit. You could do that. So that is something right there. That still protects you and stuff like that. But I did see it was kind of getting close to that resistance zone. So I was like, yeah. But I'm telling y'all, look, Forex trading, fire. Binary options trade, fire. All this stuff you got to use to your advantage while you can, you know what I'm saying? Because like, there's so many people that's starting to catch on to it. You need to be ahead of the game, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's so many people that still really don't know about it, but look at the kind of blessing. Like, I ain't stressed, you know what I'm saying? None of that. Like, I ain't have to break my back for it. You know how hard people got to work for $600? Hard. And now they don't even get that in a day. So it's just a huge blessing, you know what I'm saying? So I say all that to say, man, look, keep trading and keep it popping. But look, before we get up out of here, you know, so I just want to go over, you know, a trade, some more stuff, you know what I'm saying? This indicator's pretty dope, I like it. But remember, when we're trading, we got that 200 moving average and that 20, right? We're always looking for, trying to find a decent enough pair. This one's actually pulling back pretty good. Let me full screen this, boom. So, let me show you. So you see right here where the market let's say we cross above this 20 and we're above this 200 moving average. Boom. All right. As soon as we cross above, now you can enter early here, or you can wait till we clear the previous resistance zone and then enter. So if you enter here, that's a good scalp if you want to scalp. Now, if you want to hold long term, you're good, because if you just monitor your trade with this 20, you don't have to panic if the market starts pulling back, because you're still protected by this 200 as well. As long as it ain't dipped below there, and as long as you didn't go too crazy on your lot size, you should be good, right? So let's say you hopped in as soon as we crossed above. Boom, you hopped in, you was making some money, then it started taking a little dip. You probably ain't in drawdown that much. I don't even think that's much of drawdown at all, but you protected by that 20. The 20 caught it. Now, if you wanted to get another trade, another entry right here, I would suggest doing so. You know what I'm saying? Hop in a even bigger entry right here, ride that up. Now you could take profits up here, right? If you wanted to. But if you like, okay, well, we still uptrend overall, but see, this was a news candle. But if you was blessed enough to know that it was gonna do that, then hey, that thing took off and you'd have been rich. Now, now let me not say that, but hey, with a candle like that, you making some good money. You feel me? So use the 20 to your advantage, use that 200 to your advantage. And then again, if the market is like in consolidation and it's just like going sideways or the candles is real small, don't even worry about trading it. Keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? But right now, this is a beautiful setup right here, because look at this indicator. It showed me, boom, it hit resistance, because it's where these red lines are, right? Hit resistance, and then now it's back down here to support. So we should, based off market structure, we get a pullback somewhere in here, support 1, 2, 3, one of them, and we should be able to get a good buy back up. I don't know if it's going to continue up, because usually you got a high today and a low today. So this looks like it potentially was the high today. So you might get like a small move here, and then it might, might just kind of go sideways for the rest of the day type situation. But yeah, definitely check this indicator out. Pretty dope. I like it. I like that. Yeah, when you got sideways markets like this, I'm looking for the ones that's ranging. You know what I'm saying? Ranging good. Like, I like this setup right here. I would have ate off of this, bro. So good. Now, sometimes like people like, how do I know where to enter? So again, that 20 is always gonna play a factor, but we wasn't above the 200 yet. So some may take a smaller entry here because they curious. And then once we go above the 200, then they'll take their main entry here to then catch that. And again, as long as that 20 starts to carry it, you're good. You use that 20 as a guiding tool, and you use it as like a resistance. So you see how we kind of rejected off of it, kept going. You know what I'm saying? And then let's say we cross below. We got this huge gap in the middle, right? We cross below and we pass this. This is where you enter here if you wanted to sell, right? If you wanted to sell, because again, market structure, boom, go higher, boom, higher. Now, when this right here goes lower than this previous, then okay, market structure has now changed. So you can see we went lower than this previous, which gives us the room to do a pullback. And now we're under the 20, and now you could sell, and every pullback sell if you wanted to, or just hold. Boom. Same right here. Market structure changed. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So you might have to watch this video a couple times to get what I'm saying if you're brand new, but ultimately this is what we do. You know what I'm saying? There are certain scenarios for everything, and you can make good money trading multiple different ways. As long as you can see it, you can trade that thing. If you're confused, don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Period. If you're confused about a setup, do not trade it. Go to something else. You feel me? But it's your boy J Cash, man. Hopefully I enjoyed this video. Comment below what you want to see, man. You know, I'm dropping videos left and right. You feel me? And I will be having a vlog coming up because we're going to Mexico in like 2 weeks. You feel me? So be on the lookout for that because I haven't uploaded there in like 6 months. So it's going down, man. I'll let your boy. Peace.